In the world of software development, quality is not a destination, but a journey. Software metrics are the compass and sextant of this journey, providing crucial navigational guidance. They are the quantifiable measures that offer insights into the health, efficiency, and effectiveness of the software development process. By diligently tracking and analyzing these metrics, software quality assurance professionals can identify areas of improvement, mitigate potential risks, and ultimately deliver superior software products. Software metrics provide a common language for developers, testers, and stakeholders to communicate about the state of a project. This data-driven approach to SQA allows for informed decision-making, leading to more predictable outcomes and a higher degree of confidence in the software being developed. The insights gleaned from software metrics empower teams to optimize their processes, identify and address bottlenecks, and allocate resources effectively. In essence, software metrics act as silent guardians of software quality, ensuring that software products are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required standards of quality. Product metrics focus on the software product itself, providing quantifiable measures of its characteristics and attributes. Examples of product metrics include lines of code, cyclomatic complexity, and defect density. Lines of code is a simple yet widely used metric that measures the size of a software program by counting the number of lines of source code. Cyclomatic complexity quantifies the number of linearly independent paths through a program, providing a measure of its testability and maintainability. Higher cyclomatic complexity suggests a greater number of potential execution paths, implying increased testing effort and a higher likelihood of defects. Defect density measures the number of defects identified in a software product relative to its size, typically calculated as the number of defects per 1,000 lines of code. This metric provides a valuable indicator of the overall quality of the software, with lower defect densities signifying higher quality. These metrics offer insights into the size, complexity, and quality of the software being developed, helping to assess its adherence to desired standards. Defect density reveals the concentration of bugs within a codebase. Imagine a field of crops. A low defect density is akin to a healthy field with few pests, while a high density resembles an infestation, demanding immediate attention. This metric is calculated by dividing the total number of confirmed defects by the size of the software. For example, if 12 defects are found in 3,000 lines of code, the defect density is 4 defects per 1,000 lines of code. Tracking defect density throughout the development lifecycle offers valuable insights. A rising density might indicate deteriorating code quality, perhaps due to rushed development or insufficient testing. Conversely, a decreasing density suggests that efforts to improve code quality are proving effective. Focus on the trend within a specific project over time to gauge the effectiveness of your quality assurance efforts. In the quest for software quality, testing reigns supreme. Code coverage metrics provide a measure of the thoroughness of your testing efforts by quantifying how much of your codebase is actually executed during testing. Various types of code coverage exist, each focusing on different aspects. Statement coverage measures the percentage of individual lines of code executed during testing. Branch coverage ensures that both branches of conditional statements are tested. Path coverage aims to test all possible execution paths through the code, a more comprehensive but often impractical approach. Higher code coverage generally correlates with better software quality, as it implies that a larger portion of the code has been exercised and potentially problematic areas have been exposed. However, high code coverage doesn't guarantee the absence of defects. It merely indicates that the tested code behaves as expected under the tested conditions. Use code coverage metrics to identify areas lacking sufficient testing and focus your efforts on improving coverage in those areas. While product metrics assess the final product, process metrics shift the focus to the software development process itself. They provide insights into the efficiency and effectiveness of the methods, tools, and practices employed to build the software. One crucial process metric is defect removal efficiency, or DRE. This metric measures how effectively a team identifies and removes defects throughout the development lifecycle. A higher DRE indicates that the team is adept at catching and fixing defects early on, reducing the likelihood of these defects slipping into later stages or even reaching the end user. Another important process metric is code churn, which quantifies the frequency of code modifications within a specific time frame. High code churn can indicate areas of instability or design flaws, requiring further investigation and potential refactoring. By monitoring and analyzing process metrics, teams can gain a deeper understanding of their strengths and weaknesses in terms of software development practices. Imagine your development process as a pipeline transporting valuable software features to end users. Defects are leaks in this pipeline, potentially leading to delays, rework, and customer dissatisfaction. Defect removal efficiency, or DRE, measures your ability to plug these leaks before they cause significant damage. Calculated as the percentage of defects found and fixed before release, DRE highlights the effectiveness of your quality assurance efforts throughout the development lifecycle. A high DRE indicates that your team is adept at identifying and resolving defects early on, preventing them from snowballing into larger, more costly issues later. Strive for continuous improvement by analyzing the types of defects escaping detection, identifying patterns, and refining your testing strategies and processes accordingly. Remember, a watertight pipeline ensures a smooth and efficient delivery of high-quality software. In the dynamic world of software development, change is inevitable. Code churn, a measure of how frequently code is modified, provides insights into the stability and maturity of your code base. High code churn, like frequent earthquakes, can indicate underlying issues. It might suggest volatile requirements, design flaws requiring constant rework, or even a lack of clarity in the code base leading to frequent misunderstandings and modifications. While some churn is natural, excessive churn can be a red flag, warranting further investigation. Tracking code churn involves monitoring the number of lines of code added, deleted, or modified over a specific period. By analyzing code churn, you can pinpoint areas requiring attention. Addressing these issues can lead to a more stable code base, reduced rework, and ultimately a smoother development process. While product and process metrics focus on the what and the how of software development, project metrics provide a high-level view of the overall project's health and progress. They track factors like schedule adherence, budget utilization, and resource allocation, helping to keep the project on course and ensure its successful delivery. Cycle time, a crucial project metric, measures the time taken to complete a specific task or deliver a feature. It provides insights into the team's efficiency and helps identify potential bottlenecks in the workflow. Another vital project metric is on-time delivery, which tracks the project's adherence to the planned schedule. Consistently meeting deadlines is crucial for maintaining stakeholder trust and ensuring the timely delivery of value. By diligently monitoring project metrics, project managers can gain a clear understanding of the project's trajectory, identify potential risks, and make informed decisions to steer the project towards successful completion. These metrics act as the ship's compass and chronometer, guiding the project through the turbulent waters of software development. In the fast-paced world of software development, speed and efficiency are paramount. Cycle time, a measure of the time it takes to complete a task from start to finish, provides valuable insights into the cadence of your development process. Think of it as the pulse of your software delivery pipeline, reflecting its rhythm and responsiveness. A short cycle time indicates a healthy, efficient workflow where tasks move swiftly from initiation to completion. This agility allows for faster feedback loops, quicker adaptation to changing requirements, and ultimately, a more responsive and competitive development process. Conversely, a prolonged cycle time can signal bottlenecks and inefficiencies within the workflow. Identifying and addressing these bottlenecks is crucial for optimizing cycle time and accelerating software delivery. Tracking cycle time for various task types can reveal areas for process improvement and contribute to a more streamlined and efficient development process. In the realm of software development, promises are measured in deadlines met and expectations fulfilled. On-time delivery, a seemingly straightforward metric, carries significant weight, reflecting a team's ability to deliver on its commitments and build trust with stakeholders. It's the moment of truth where planning meets execution, and success hinges on meticulous planning, effective execution, and a keen eye on potential roadblocks. Consistently delivering projects on time requires a multifaceted approach. Effective communication and collaboration among team members are crucial for identifying and mitigating potential risks early on. Regularly tracking progress against the planned timeline and proactively addressing any deviations are critical for staying on course. Ultimately, on-time delivery is not merely a metric, but a testament to a team's commitment to excellence, professionalism, and a deep understanding of the software development lifecycle. By consistently meeting deadlines, teams build a reputation for reliability, earning the trust of stakeholders and paving the way for continued success. In the grand symphony of software development, metrics are not isolated instruments, but rather a harmonious ensemble, each playing a crucial role in orchestrating a masterpiece of software excellence. Product metrics provide the sheet music, defining the characteristics and quality of the final product. Process metrics act as the conductor's baton, guiding the development process towards efficiency and effectiveness. Project metrics provide the tempo and rhythm, ensuring the project stays on track and delivers on its promises. By analyzing these metrics in concert, teams gain a holistic understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, enabling them to fine-tune their processes, optimize their resources, and continuously improve their craft. This data-driven approach empowers teams to make informed decisions, address potential issues proactively, and ultimately deliver software that not only meets but exceeds expectations. Software metrics are not merely numbers on a dashboard, but rather the compass, map, and telescope guiding the software development journey towards the destination of excellence. By embracing the power of metrics, teams can navigate the complexities of software development with confidence, delivering software that is not only functional, but also reliable, maintainable, and a testament to the art and science of software craftsmanship.